According to health officials in Gaza, 31 premature babies were evacuated from al-Shifa hospital to other hospitals in southern Gaza in a joint effort led by the World Health Organization, the UN, and the Palestinian Red Crescent, while over 250 patients were unable to move, remained at the hospital. This transfer comes amid hospitals in the south are reaching maximum capacity. The health authorities now say field hospitals are a necessity, as they are unable to provide proper medical care to their patients, whereas relentless Israeli airstrikes on the Strip continue, and victims' numbers are increasing every day. Israeli warplanes have been attacking multiple locations in North and South Gaza in the last 24 hours. The West Bank is witnessing fierce clashes between Palestinian residents and the Israeli army.
Israel Defense Forces on Sunday night published a video of a tunnel under Shifa Hospital in Gaza, saying it leads to the Hamas command center. This is the first time that IDF published video of underground tunnel under Shifa Hospital since it launched operation inside the hospital on Wednesday. And Israel also confirmed on Sunday that a vessel was hijacked by Houthi in the Red Sea. Local media reported that the ship was registered under a British company, which is partially owned by an Israeli businessman. Israeli Prime Minister office said there were 25 crew members on board, but there were no Israelis on the ship.
Today's focus is on the following two issues. The first is the hostages held by Hamas in Gaza. Qatari Prime Minister and Minister of Foreign Affairs Sheikh Mohammed bin Abdulrahman bin Jassim Al Thani announced on Sunday that efforts to free hostages in Gaza were continuing and that simple challenges remained. He revealed that the remaining unresolved issues are logistic and processes. Meanwhile, regional powers continue to put more diplomatic pressure on Israel. Iranian leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei on Sunday urged the countries in the region to break off political ties with Israel, at least for a limited period of time. Earlier in the day, Turkish Foreign Minister Hakan Fidan said in an interview that Turkey may break diplomatic relations with Israel, but for the desired effect, the decision must be made by several countries at the same time. Another highly noteworthy story comes from Yemen. The Houthi armed forces announced on Sunday that they had seized an Israeli ship in the Red Sea and were sailing it to Yemeni waters. The Israeli army describes the incident as very serious, while Israel's prime minister called it an act of terror. It's the most direct intervention from the Houthis,